In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Vivint motion sensor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This process is low effort and it usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. The only thing that you may need is a Phillips screwdriver. So to start, disarm your system. So go over to the system and disarm it if needed. This will prevent any false alarms during the whole process. After this is done, you will have to remove the sensor from the mounting plate. The mounting plate will be held in place either by screws or sometimes tape. Either way, just locate the mounting plate and slide the sensor up to remove it from the mounting plate. Like I said before, you may need to use a screwdriver to remove the screw holding the sensor to the mounting plate. But if you use tape, you can usually just grab on it firmly. After this is done, fully remove both batteries using the pull tab. So at the back, you will find a pull tab. You will pull on it, and this will allow you to pack the batteries separately with the motion sensor. So remove them from the motion sensor, do not leave them inside of the device, and you are basically good to go. Of course, the mounting plate might still be on the wall, and at this point, you are free to remove it. Like I said before, it might be secured with screws or tape, so just do whatever you need to remove it from here. After it is removed, you can store the motion sensor aside, and you are good to go. As long as you remove the batteries from the device, there will be no risk of setting it aside anywhere that you want. So stock it somewhere safe and you are good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.